Hey YouTube, this is Big Johnson 0076. I'm going to do a little repair to a Model 151 Kresge. It's a gun that was sold at Kmart in 70s, I think, 70s and 80s. It's got a little crack in the stock here. I don't know how well you can see it. It's got a little crack there. I'm just going to basically show you how I'm going to repair it using Gorilla wood glue. Good tough stuff, ugly and tough. So this actually goes to, like I say, a Model 151. It's a forend. So let's get started. Some of the things you'll need are, I'm going to use a bayonet off one of my Mosin Nagants to spread it because it works well. It's tapered up, works well opening it. I'm going to use a C-clamp once I get the glue in place. I'm also going to use a bowl of warm water and some paper towels and a rag that I have there to wipe the excess glue off once I get it in the clamp. Okay, let's get started here. First, I'm going to force the bayonet through the, causing it to spread. Okay, we don't want to do too much, don't want to damage it. So here I have a piece of paper. I'm going to use this piece of paper to run glue down in the crack. Got me some glue poured out here. It don't matter how much glue you really get on it right now, because you can always wipe it back off with water. So going down in the crack here, trying to. There we go. Gotta watch it. Your paper's going to kind of get a little saturated with glue as you go. Alright, let me just squirt some down here. We'll squirt some glue down in here too. To get some down in there. Force down in my crack. Okay. Use some more paper here. Force that glue down in that crack there. Alright, as soon as you feel like you got enough glue on it, that's something right down there. As soon as you feel like you got enough glue on it, you can take and you can wipe some of the excess off before you can get started if you want to. This is just crude wiping off. You can take the bayonet out. You'll notice the glue kind of pokes out now. Everywhere it was at.
What are you doing? What's it doing?
Alright, then you put your clamp in place. That's what I'm going to do here. Get this clamp fixed right. And what I'm going to do is take a paper towel here. Alright, I'm going to wipe some of this excess glue off. Sorry, I had the gun fell over against my floor a while ago off the side of the bench here. I'm going to use that to wipe as much of the glue off as I can, just on the surface. Like I say, I'm going to do some minor resurfacing here, so that won't be no big deal if we leave a little bit on there. It's not really a high dollar gun per se. I just enjoy messing around with them, so therefore I like getting this one back in almost perfect condition again, I guess you could say. Not perfect, but good working order. When I got this gun from a buddy of mine, the forend stock was actually coming off of it, so it was missing the hardware it needed. So I'm trying to pick up the hardware, and I'm gonna fix this, and I'm gonna also do a little cold bluing project on the barrel and the action and everything, just as another little project. You can see I'm using Q-tips and water just to get down in here. Make sure we don't leave a whole lot of glue down in our stock here. I'll have to clean up later with a file or a screwdriver or something. So, and I'm gonna let this set 24 hours and dry. I hope this is helpful to everybody. This is my little repair project. Like I said, got Gorilla Glue. Cleans up with water. If you read the instructions, it cleans up well with water. This is pretty good stuff. I've used it before. I just put me a little bit on the paper, used the paper to get down in the seams of the crack. Most of the got bayonet. Pretty good deal. I'm not going to use it on my Mosin, so might as well use it for something. And clean the glue off of it. And got me some Q-tips here too. A rag, some water. That's all you need to do a little minor repair project like this. Alright, thanks guys.